Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day stacking those gains. Today, I'm super excited to share a game-changing way to dramatically cut your trading fees on the Axiom network, using a brilliant tool called AxiomBolt. This simple yet powerful bookmark add-on unlocks Axiom's full zero-fee potential, optimizes every transaction, and helps you keep way more profit from your trades without changing your strategy. Let's dive into what makes AxiomBolt such an effective fee-saving machine. Lightning-fast execution. Ultra-quick trade routing through Axiom's optimized infrastructure to minimize latency. You execute in milliseconds before windows close. Faster fills reduce slippage, which directly translates to lower effective costs on every position. Zero-fee advantage. The core money saver. AxiomBolt maximizes Axiom's revolutionary no-fee structure with smart gas management and transaction bundling. Traditional gas fees and platform costs virtually disappear, letting you save big compared to other chains or DEXs. Advanced market intelligence. Real-time tracking of token launches, whale movements, and price action across Axiom, complete with predictive analytics and trend spotting. Better market awareness means smarter entries and exits, avoiding trades that would otherwise cost you in poor timing or overpaying. Military-grade security. Strong protection against MEV bots, sandwich attacks, and rug risks, plus automatic smart contract audits and risk checks on every trade. Staying safe from exploits prevents costly losses that no fee savings could recover. Intelligent auto trading. AI-powered automation with customizable strategies, risk limits, and profit-taking rules. Set it up once and let it execute efficiently. Fewer manual trades means fewer chances for expensive errors or unnecessary gas spend. Comprehensive analytics. Professional dashboard with detailed trade history, P&L breakdowns, tax reports, and portfolio optimization tips. Clearly see how much you're saving on fees versus traditional platforms and adjust for even greater efficiency. Setting up AxiomBolt is incredibly easy and takes less than a minute. Scroll down the page until you find the Add AxiomBolt to Bookmarks button. If your bookmarks bar isn't showing, for Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B. For Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus B. Once added, return to Axiom and click the bookmark. The full suite activates immediately. Inside, you'll find these fee-optimizing tools. Market scan for live updates to spot low-cost opportunities. Snipe meme coin, perfect for buying dips at the cheapest levels. Price alert, get notified so you enter at ideal prices without overpaying. Risk guard, smart risk management. Default sell 30% at 2 times. Profit to secure gains efficiently. Profile lock, auto sell meme coins at your target to lock profits without extra gas. Adjustable transaction speed, set to max for priority routing and best fee efficiency. MEV Shield, blocks attacks that could force higher effective costs. Quick Trade, top up Solana easily via ChangeHero with no unnecessary hops. All these features combine to make your trading not just profitable, but dramatically cheaper. Start using AxiomBolt today and watch those fee savings add up fast. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.